If you're managing internal IT requests, customer support issues, or operational requests, this is one of the most powerful features inside of Monday Service. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a support channel in Monday Service and how to funnel requests from multiple sources directly into a single tickets board. A support channel allows you to create tickets automatically from incoming requests. Those requests can come from an email, shared inboxes, or the Monday Service inbox itself. Every time a request comes in, Monday creates a ticket that your team can triage, assign, and track just like any other work item. This is ideal for IT requests, internal help desks, facility issues, HR questions, or client support. To get started, I'm inside of Monday Service, and I have created a tickets board using one of the service templates. These templates already include helpful columns like status, priority, assignee, and SLA tracking. So this is a great place to start if you're building a support workflow. Once your ticket board is already in place, the next step is connecting a support channel. In the top right corner of the tickets board, next to automations, you will see channels. When you click into channels, you will see a few options: Gmail, Outlook, or the Monday Service inbox. One important thing to know is at the moment, each ticket board can only have one channel connected to it. That means all incoming requests on this board must come through a single channel. This feature could be expanded in the future, but for right now, you're only allowed to connect to one channel. In practice, many teams have multiple support inboxes. For an example, IT, operations, and facility might each have their own email address. A common workaround we use with client is to set up a Monday Service inbox as the primary channel, and then configure all the other department inboxes to automatically forward emails to that address. This way, all requests still land in one ticket board, while allowing multiple teams or departments to submit requests through their existing emails. I already have my service inbox connected, so now I'm going to send an email to that address. Once the email is received, we immediately see a new ticket appear in the unassigned group. The ticket includes the email subject, the email body as the description, and the sender's name and email address. From there, the ticket behaves just like any item in Monday. You can open the ticket, assign it to a team member, update the status, set priorities, and track SLAs. This creates a clean, centralized system where nothing gets lost in inboxes and every request is tracked from start to finish. Support channels are one of the easiest ways to turn email chaos into a structured, trackable workflow inside of Monday Service. Once set up correctly, they can dramatically improve response time, visibility, and accountability across your team. If you want help designing a scalable support workflow using Monday Service, click the link below and schedule a free discovery call with me. And if you want more real-world Monday.com tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the Workflow Magic YouTube channel with the link below. Thanks for watching.